Join Sonic Sam on a thrilling journey as we dive into the mystery of sound. Ever wondered how your favorite tunes reach your ears? Sonic Sam, our animated sound explorer, transforms sound waves into a vibrant musical adventure with animated notes dancing across the screen. Imagine sound as invisible ripples traveling through the air, like the waves you see when you drop a pebble into a pond. With colorful graphics, we'll break down how these waves vibrate and travel, creating the symphony you hear every day. As Sonic Sam guides you through this discovery, he'll ask fun questions like, "Can you guess how fast sound travels?" and encourage you to think about sound in new ways. By the end, you'll know how all sounds, from a cat's purr to a rock concert, are part of this fascinating wave dance. Did you know dolphins use sound waves to see underwater? What other mystery should we solve? Comment below.